See, this is a Messiah tribe. Say Messiah tribe. That tribe always kills one tribe of the many Messiah tribe. One tribe keeps always an elephant. That tribe is meant for killing an elephant only. Now in Kenya and Tanzania, you cannot kill it is illegal. But it has gone into the elephant's DNA so deeply, even killing is not allowed. If the moment the elephant sees a Messiah, it will run. Amazing, no? The moment the elephant sees a Messiah, it runs. Because the DNA is called genetical inherited error. Because mother has been killed, it transfers the DNA. So the moment it sees a Messiah, it cannot kill. Alright, no, it runs away. So some of us, suddenly we feel a victim of situation. Actually, we are not exploited. We feel exploited. That error has taken over our life. Be sensitive to it. Sometimes you are not exploited. You feel exploited. I want, this has to be thing. It has gone into the system, sir. It has gone into the system, and I want you to show the video of this, so this section will become clear. There is a section on strategy. Then we'll come to Mahabharata strategy, even though I have said that. Now please see now, all of you. Look at this. It's so inspiring it is. Now, you want to see a Messiah with a stick. He's chasing a leopard, a cheetah, chasing, and then takes the deer out. It somewhere knows how to distract. You see this now? You see this? Now, this is what will happen in us also. What did you observe? Huh? Then what else? Did you observe his cigarette in his left hand also is not dropped? See, his cigarette in his left hand also is not dropped. So confident he is. So the question is, tell me, he'll stop a what? Elephant. Alright? But what has happened to the elephant? It has got registered something. What happened to the leopard, cheetah? See, they cannot go and take a gazelle, because gazelles are so fast. So when leopard takes, cheetah hits, they go and take. So what is that you and I can learn, sir? All of you. What is it you can learn? What is it you can learn? In these two videos, what is that you can learn? Tell me, is that stick to the cheetah enough? Huh? Because when we stayed in Kenya also, right open the window, you can see animals, all wild animals, hippopotamus, so many things going. And they say, if you have to go to our thing there, you call our person. So one day I went with that person, they called. What he does, one stick and whistle he has got. And hippopotamus so huge, what he can do? Right, so what has happened? So what is that learning? Come on, quickly, what is that learning? Huh? Pardon? Is the stick a genuine threat to the cheetah? Many of us are threatened by pseudo threats. That's the lesson you learn. Is the stick threat? Is a threat to the thing? No. In our life also, sometimes we are in a pseudo way feel threatened. Pseudo way we feel somebody is blocking you. And if you like the elephant, his genetically inherited error it has got. Alright? And now you will get registered, oh somebody is hurting you. Mother-in-law means somebody is hurting you. Daughter-in-law means difficult. That registered which all of you take, it gets punched into your system. With that punching, when you look at something, it will appear real. For the leopard, it appears the stick is real. For the elephant, looking at a Messiah appears to be real. Please look into your mind. What have you crystallized? Or if you say crystallize, I'll talk of crystallization afterwards. What have you crystallized? Once you crystallize, all Brahmins are like this. All Muslims are like this. All Christians are like this. All Marwadis are like this. All South Indians, Madrasis are like this. You are crystallized. Once you crystallize, you see, and it is real for you. Are you getting, sir? So therefore, in your, please see, somebody may be looking at you on one angle, you may be looking at him on another angle. Now your strategy is to have clarity how, whether it is registered wrongly in you, or it's a pseudo threat. And if it is a real threat, you use a pseudo solution to solve it. You can use it. That is not cunningness.